have the July Boxycharm for you guys. This is my base box that I pay for myself. So this is my not PR box. I pay $25 a month for this box, and then I do upgrade I think it's like every 4 months to my Luxe box. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Oh, before anything, I do have a link with them. I like to make it completely clear with you guys that I do get compensation if you subscribe through that link. I also have my social media down below if you want to follow me there. I have quite a few of them down below if you're interested in any of those. And definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Stick around to my channel. I do a lot of unboxings, but I've also been, I dab here and there in all kinds of different things. So yeah, stick around. So we're gonna go ahead and start and open this bad boy up. I did do a try on, so it's a mini try on, so that will be at some point and I'll have timestamps. So let's go ahead and jump into the sunshine, because the theme of all their boxes is basically the same. Like the cards are all the same theme, if you can call it a theme. Anyways, so the first thing in here is the Babe Lash. This is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. So I have never heard of this brand, but when I had my choice to pick, I was like, yeah, I want to try that. So this is $59, and I am all about lash serum. I love lash serum. I use New Lash. I do have a video on that if you guys want to check my channel. But this one is very similar to it. You're supposed to use on the top lash line on your evening every night, and then you can just like maintain the length of your lashes using it. And this is 2 ml, so I'm excited to try this to see, because New Lash is pretty pricey. Like I think I paid $65 and it's only like maybe an ounce, or like 1 ml. So 2 ml for $59 is like really good. This is a 3-month supply. We shall see how this works. I am currently on a bottle of New Lash, so when that finishes, I'll try this one next. And I also had one from my AIA box, so I'll try that one as well at some point. What I really look for if I try them out is to see if they maintain the lashes that I already have, like the length that I have. If I start losing the length that I have from New Lash, then I already know like I'm not gonna keep it around, because at least like I want to keep like the growth and the length that I already have, and it should be able to do that if it's a good lash serum, right? So the next product in here is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is $22. I was so excited to get this in the box because it's coconut scented, and I used to hate coconut scent, but now I love it. I don't know why. I love their under eye setting powder. That's the same Everyday Vacay. That is amazing. So yeah, so I was excited to get this. It smells really delicious. It's coconut, but it is one of those sprays that you really have to distance from your face, because if not, it can be a little overwhelming when it falls on your face. Like you'll get little droplets, so that is a forewarning. Next thing in here is the Pur Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. This is $36. I just ordered the Pur Cosmetics times Raw Beauty Christy. I adore her. I can't wait to get that in. Let me know if you guys want like a full review try on of that palette. But this is 12 pressed pigments, and I do own the first one, so I wanted to show you guys. This is the Festival Part 1, and it has like pressed glitters in here. And then I wanted to show you guys the one that I just got, which is the 2.0. So this one has more of that I don't know, like that what is it called, EDM? I'm not one of the cool kids. You know what I'm talking about, like those festivals that are outside that are like doo, 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 doo. So this one is kind of like reminds me of that, and this one's more like those beach festivals. And the inside of this one has like really beautiful neutrals with pops in there. The shimmers are more of a thicker consistency. They're a little bit chunkier, so you really have to press down your brush into them. The mattes from Pur Cosmetics just blend like a dream. I absolutely love them. So I'm going to swatch these on my finger real quick just so you guys see the shades. So that is the first row right there. And like I said, the shimmers are pretty chunky, so definitely you want to use either a natural hairbrush or press down on them pretty good. And then that's the second row. Look at that. Ooh. And I actually have that on my eyes right now. I have this palette on, which you'll see in the try on if you watch that. So, and this is the last row. Oh, look at that blue. It's actually the blue that I have all over my lid. Woo! And I also like the fact that Pur Cosmetics, like their little palettes have mirrors too, so that's super, super nice. They are cruelty, gluten free, and they are vegan friendly as well. So just so you know. And then the not the last thing. The next to last thing is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. This is $28. Where are you, baby? And this is what the little packaging looks like. I absolutely love Fenty. Look how cute the little packaging is. And this is basically like a highlighter, but oh man, crap. Okay, so I took off the plastic thing because it was like tipped over in the box. Like you can see now, like the top is filled of the product. That was not smart, Melissa. Not smart at all. So this is what it looks like right there. It's a gold, but basically you can use this as a nice loose shimmer. And if you were to use this like with a fluffy brush, you'll still see the shimmer on your skin. And I did that. I like used the fluffy brush all over my skin, and you can definitely see, hopefully, focus. Okay, so you can definitely see that it'll show up on your skin and you'll see the glitter particles. And then I have this as a highlight too, so it works really nicely as a highlight. As far as like an all over like face powder, like to give a glow to the skin, I wouldn't use it that way. I would use it more as a highlight, and then on body parts, like if you want to do like your collarbone and stuff like that. I actually prefer the Jaclyn Hill one's consistency and like the glow in that more for all over the face. And I don't know if I said that's $28. And then the last thing in here is the Nude Sticks Rock and Roller. This is one of those roller pen things. And I did not use this in the try on. I did not even open it because I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. It's one of those little roller things, and I do not care for this. So I'm actually just gonna give this to a friend, and I don't want it dirty or to touch it. And this is in the shade Golden Rose. This is worth $26, but like I said, I'm not a fan of this, like this little roller thing. It's just not for me. So I'd rather give it to someone who I know will use it. So that's the only thing in the box that's like not for me whatsoever. But you know, we all have our preferences, just like with eyeliner. Some people like those roller things. Some people like more of a felt tip, other people like more of a brush, so it just depends on the person. So as always, we're gonna jump into the try on portion now. First thing I'm gonna try on is going to be the palette. I kind of want to go in with these blue shades, so we are going to start off with Photo Op, which is just this neutral brown. I'm probably just gonna do something super simple, even though sometimes I say that and then it doesn't come out as simple as I thought it would. Next shade I'm going to go into is a VIP Pass, which is this dark green, and I'm going in with one of my favorite brushes. I talked about this when I used the Manny MUA palette, and this is the Sonia G Builder Pro. This just works amazing with shimmer shades. I can't even tell you. So I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eye, and then later on I will blend it into the crease. The next color I'm going to go into is Electric, which is this beautiful blue, and likewise just using the same brush, and then I'm putting that in the middle of my lid. Oh god, that is beautiful. And then just blending it a little bit into the VIP Pass. And then the last one that I'm going to put in this inner corner is Utopia, which is this light green. And for this, I'm just using a smaller brush, which is the MAC 228. And then I might even put one of these light shades like in the inner corner, just to help pop it out a little bit more. I don't know. Why am I being so extra? I'm so extra. Okay, so what the hell? I'm gonna go ahead and use Euphoric and use that same brush, just a little bit of it. And these shimmers are a little bit chunky, just to let you know. So you might wanna press down on your brush to get them like to really grab onto the brush. And let's just put that there on the inner corner. I don't think I picked up enough. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah, you definitely have to like press and like swirl to get it to pick up because they are pretty chunky. So we're gonna try that again. Oh yeah, mama. Okay, so I'm just literally just putting that on the tear duct and then still leaving the green on there. Then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go into Instaworthy first. And these mattes do have a little bit of kick up, just so that you know. And I'm gonna put that along my lower lash line. And just to give it a little more flair, I'm gonna go in with Vibes and add on to that a little bit. Because they're very similar in tone, except for one's a matte and one's a shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes and put some mascara, lashes, and I'll be right back. So the next thing I'm gonna use is this Fairy Balm by Fenty Beauty. I am going to, a lot comes out, so be careful. I'm gonna use this as a highlight, and then I'm just gonna try to dust it all over my face and see if I get the glow that I get from my Jaclyn Hill one. A little too much came off of this, but we're gonna try this as a highlight, more concentrated. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a deep gold highlight. I feel like this would look very beautiful on deeper skin tones. I feel like it looks like a very beautiful gold, deep gold highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take whatever I have here and use a fluffy brush, which is what I do with my Jaclyn Hill one. And we're going to see if this doesn't look a little crazy. I'm just gonna dust it all over my face and see if it gives like a glow to the skin. So that is what it looks like. You can definitely see the sparkle kind of here on my forehead, hopefully. You would definitely see the glitter particles when you look at it in a mirror. I can see all the sparkles on there. So it's not something that I would use on a daily basis, like as a glow. I really like the Jaclyn Hill powder more for that. This I would use more as a highlight, and then maybe on my body, like my legs. I put some here on my shoulder, and I really like the effect that it gives. It just kind of gives like that sparkle and shine and like reflects the light really nicely off your body. So I feel like this I would use more on my legs, even like your collarbone, and then as a highlight. But very, very beautiful. I love Fenty's packaging. I just love Fenty as a brand. Like, I just need Rihanna to come out and like do some music too though, because I miss her. And then the last thing I'm gonna try in this box is going to be the Ciate London Everyday Vacay. I have to say, I love their powders of this line. Like, I love their Everyday Vacay under eye setting powder and their all over powder. They smell delicious, they work incredible. So we're going to go ahead and squirt this out. Let me make sure that this is okay, because I'm just gonna close my eyes just in case, because last time I tried a setting spray, I burned my eyes. If you guys haven't seen that video, that is the AIA unboxing. Definitely go watch that because I died laughing. Okay, so let's see. Come on. Okay, that definitely smells like coconut, like you're on vacation. It's a little more of a harsher spray. Like, I can definitely feel it heavier when it falls on my skin, but not too bad, too bad. I would definitely go in with a blender afterwards, because I can see the little droplets where they fell on my face, and then if it dries, it'll dry like that. And I've had that happen before, where I'm at work and you can see all the drops, and I'm like, oh no, that's not freckles, those are drops from my setting spray. So yeah, nice setting spray, nice nice setting spray. But I would probably use this before makeup and not so much afterwards, because I don't like when it's like harsh like that. Yeah, you would definitely, yeah, you need to get a distance from it. You need to get a distance from it, because I was maybe probably too close. So for my final thoughts, I have to say I enjoyed everything that was in this box. As always, I will have the total value around here. The only thing that I know that I won't be using is the roller thing, but everything else is something that I liked or will use or incorporate into my routine. So I'm super happy with this box. Let me know what you guys got. What do you think of the box? What do you think of my box? I'd love to hear from you down down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.